The concrete jungle, a place where dreams are built and lives are lived at a frenetic pace. The city is a marvel of human ingenuity, a testament to our ability to shape the world around us. We built it to be a testament to human achievement. But cities are fragile. Beneath the steel and glass, there's a vulnerability that we often overlook. The urban environment, for all its advancements, is susceptible to the forces of nature. Disasters can strike at any time. Earthquakes, floods, hurricanes, and even man-made catastrophes can turn our urban havens into scenes of chaos and destruction. The very infrastructure that supports our daily lives can become our greatest challenge. That's where prepping comes in. It's not just about stockpiling goods, it's about creating a plan, a strategy to navigate through the unexpected. Prepping is about foresight and readiness. It's about being ready, not scared. Preparedness brings peace of mind, knowing that you have the tools and knowledge to handle whatever comes your way. It's a proactive approach to safety and security. In the urban jungle, bugging in is your best bet. When the outside world becomes unpredictable, your home becomes your fortress. Securing your living space is the first step in urban survival. Your home becomes your sanctuary. It's where you can control your environment, where you can keep your loved ones safe. Reinforcing doors and windows, creating safe rooms, and having a clear plan are essential. This is your guide to making it through. Knowledge is power, and having a comprehensive survival guide can make all the difference. From first aid to resource management, every detail counts. We're going to cover the essentials: fortifying your home, managing supplies, communication, and more. Stocking up on non-perishable food, clean water, and medical supplies is just the beginning. We'll delve into advanced techniques and the mental game of survival. Remember, preparation is key. Developing a strategy, practicing drills, and staying informed are crucial components of urban prepping. Let's get you ready to face any challenge head-on. Self-defense is an important skill, not just for physical protection, but for building confidence and resilience. This isn't about living in fear, it's about taking control. By implementing security measures, you create a safer environment for yourself and your family. It's about ensuring the safety of yourself and your loved ones. In times of crisis, the well-being of your family is paramount. Having a plan and being prepared can make all the difference. It's about being a survivor. Let's get started. Together, we'll navigate the complexities of urban survival, turning uncertainty into confidence and chaos into order. Your home is your first line of defense. It's where you and your loved ones should feel the safest. But in today's world, it's crucial to take extra steps to ensure that safety. You need to fortify it. Start with the basics. Reinforce doors and windows. Use solid core doors that are much harder to break through than hollow ones. These doors provide a strong barrier against any forced entry attempts. Replace flimsy locks with heavy-duty ones. Standard locks can be easily picked or broken, so invest in high-quality deadbolts and smart locks that offer better security features. Board up windows or install security film. Security film can hold shattered glass together, making it harder for intruders to gain access. For even more protection, consider boarding up windows with metal sheets. Think about potential entry points. Walk around your home and identify any weak spots that could be exploited. This includes not just doors and windows, but also vents, skylights, and any other openings. Secure balconies and fire escapes. These areas are often overlooked but can be easy access points for intruders. Use heavy-duty locks and consider installing security gates or bars. Consider installing security bars or grills. These can be a strong deterrent. Create a safe room. This is your stronghold, a place where you can retreat to in case of an emergency. It should be hidden and easily defensible. Choose an interior room, preferably one without windows, to make it harder for intruders to access. Reinforce the door and walls. Use metal plates and additional locks to make the safe room as secure as possible. Stock it with supplies: food, water, first aid, communication devices. Make sure you have enough to last for several days in case you need to stay there for an extended period. Practice getting to your safe room quickly. Every second counts in an emergency, so make sure everyone in your household knows the fastest route to the safe room. Remember, your goal is to deter and delay. The longer it takes for an intruder to get in, the more time you have to react and call for help. Make it tough for intruders. Buy yourself precious time. Every measure you take adds another layer of security, making your home a less attractive target for criminals. Food, water, and supplies are non-negotiable. In times of crisis, these essentials become the foundation of your survival strategy. Stock up on non-perishable food items. These foods have a long shelf life and can sustain you when fresh food is not available. Think rice, beans, canned goods. These staples are versatile and can be used in a variety of meals to keep your diet balanced. Aim for at least a 3-week supply per person. Rotate your stock regularly to ensure nothing goes to waste. Water is crucial. Store at least 1 gallon per person per day. This amount covers drinking, cooking, and basic hygiene needs. Consider a water filtration system too. In case your stored water runs out, a filtration system can make natural water sources safe to drink. First aid is paramount. Have a comprehensive kit and know how to use it. Include bandages, antiseptics, pain relievers, and any prescription medications you may need. Don't forget hygiene. Soap, hand sanitizer, toilet paper. These are vital for maintaining sanitation. Keeping clean helps prevent illness, which is crucial when medical help may be hard to find. Store fuel for cooking and heating. In an emergency, you may need to prepare food and stay warm without access to electricity or gas. Propane stoves are a good option. They are portable, easy to use, and can be a reliable source of heat and cooking power. Remember, these supplies are your lifeline. Treat them with care. Regularly check and update your stock to ensure everything is in good condition and ready to use when needed. Communication is key. When the grid goes down, you need to stay informed. A hand crank weather radio is essential. It will keep you updated on weather conditions and emergency broadcasts. Have a plan for communicating with loved ones. Two-way radios are reliable when cell towers are down. Choose models with multiple channels and long battery life. Consider a ham radio for long-distance communication. It requires a license, so get certified beforehand. Learn basic radio etiquette and emergency frequencies. Remember, knowledge is power. Stay informed and connected. Sanitation is crucial for health. When the water stops running, you need a plan. Store water for hygiene purposes. A portable toilet is a worthwhile investment. Learn how to dispose of waste safely. Use heavy-duty trash bags. Double bag everything. Designate a specific area for waste disposal. Keep it away from living areas. Consider composting. It's a natural way to break down organic waste. You can use the compost for gardening later. Practice good hygiene. Wash your hands frequently. Use hand sanitizer when water is scarce. Remember, a clean environment is a healthy environment. Electricity is essential. When the grid goes down, you need backup. Portable solar panels are a great option. They're renewable and quiet. Invest in a power bank for charging small electronics. Keep it topped up. A hand crank generator can provide a small amount of power in a pinch. Consider a fuel-powered generator. Choose one that fits your needs. Store fuel safely and rotate it regularly. Remember, generators are noisy. Use them strategically. Be mindful of carbon monoxide. Never operate a generator indoors. Imagine this. A blackout engulfs the city. Panic sets in. But you're ready. You calmly retrieve your supplies. You check on your neighbors. You become a beacon of hope. Or perhaps it's a natural disaster. An earthquake shakes the foundations of your world. You follow your evacuation plan. You reach your safe spot. You survive. Each scenario demands a different response. Think about the potential threats in your area. Develop plans for each. Practice your responses. Remember, adaptability is key. Stay calm, assess the situation, and act decisively. Section 8. Advanced Urban Survival Hacks. Level up your prepping. Let's take your skills to the next level. Learn basic first aid. Know how to treat common injuries. Consider wilderness survival courses. Learn to identify edible plants in your area. Start a small urban garden. Every bit of food helps. Master the art of fire starting. It's a primal skill that can save your life. Learn self-defense techniques. Confidence can deter attackers. Improvise. Use everyday objects as tools. A sturdy stick can become a weapon. Be resourceful. Think outside the box. Section 9. The mind, your most powerful weapon. Survival is as much a mental game as a physical one. Fear, panic, despair, these are your enemies. Train your mind to stay calm under pressure. Practice mindfulness and meditation. Build mental resilience. Embrace the suck. Remember, you are stronger than you think. Stay positive. Focus on what you can control. Connect with your community. Build a network of like-minded individuals. Support each other. Remember, we are social creatures. We are stronger together. Section 10. Stealth and security, staying under the radar. In a crisis, discretion is vital. Avoid drawing attention to yourself. Blend in. Don't advertise your preparedness. Move with purpose, but avoid looking panicked. Secure your home. Don't make it an easy target. Be wary of strangers. Trust your instincts. If something feels off, it probably is. Vary your routines. Don't be predictable. Travel in groups when possible. There is strength in numbers. Remember, the gray man is the one who survives. Section 11. Conclusion: prepared for anything. The urban jungle can be a dangerous place, but with the right mindset and preparation, you can overcome any challenge. Remember, prepping is a journey, not a destination. Continuously learn, adapt, and improve your skills. Share your knowledge with others. Together, we can create a more resilient and prepared society. Stay safe, stay strong, stay prepared. The future belongs to the resilient.